$100 worth of. Oh, I can't talk about this. You gotta introduce it, Connor.
Why? I don't want to do the food review.
Who's this? Connor.
Three,
Number-
four.
Three.
This is
Three.
number 3 food review. Dave's Hot Chicken, East Lansing.
David, I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
Jaden Holes.
Jaden Holes. Jaden Holes.
Big McToodle.
No, you're
Big McToodle.
Connor Crook.
Big McToodle. How about that?
David fucking stupid. freak.
Barhead Dave.
I'm Wallboy 54.
Ty.
Freaky Mayo.
Freaky Mayo.
So fucking gay, dude. I paid Frankie extra.
All right, Connor. How do you review Dave's Hot Chicken?
Fuck Dave's Hot Chicken. Dave's Hot Chicken fucking sucks. Worst fucking store ever.
All right, me and David are reviewing the food.
This is Dave's Hot Chicken
This
mac
shit
and
looks
cheese.
gas, bro.
I've had
Frankie, bring some mayo, dude.
Mayonnaise?
Yes.
You gotta try this.
Yeah, bro.
Tell me that shit.
Oh my god, bro. That tastes like the kids' cuisine mac and cheese, man. Ow. I had to get the mayo.
That shit is gas.
This is
Tom
hot
John
as fuck.
Portman shit's fire, dude.
It's literally just huge, bro.
Wait,
It was pretty hot.
do you get like the extra hot one?
Oh, I got hot.
And cheesy fries.
Got bugs.
What spice
Hot.
level did you get?
Hot.
Is that the hottest one?
No.
No, there's hot, there's like very hot and then reaper.
Yeah.
They're killed their fucking days.
I've only had it before after the bar. I'm like really drunk. Every time I get the mac and cheese, and it's the best thing I've ever had.
Their chicken.
How would you rate your Dave's Hot Chicken experience?
10 out of 10.
No.
Dave's Hot Chicken meal.
It's delicious, dude. Look at that shit. Destroyed it. Bye-bye. See ya.
Connor, how would you rate your Dave's Hot Chicken meal?
Fuck Dave's Hot Chicken. Dave's a dead man, personally, is what I think. Fuck Dave.
Are you coming after him? Is this a threat to his life?
Yeah, me and good old Hank here. We're coming after him. I'm sicking the dogs on him.
Coming with nobody.
Coming?
And how would you, Ty, rate
That's
your
what this lady
Dave's Hot Chicken meal?
It's a Hey, put it at my face, man.
Show him what you got.
It's a zesty mix of sweet and savory and spicy all mixed into one sweet bun. And it's really fucking spicy. Get it away from my face, man.
Personally,
Oh, wait, I forgot to give 10.
I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10.
Dog's Pit Productions.